You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tyrone Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is your first time you've seen this channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button and also click on the like button if this video is helpful to you. Alright, so we have numerous videos on this channel. Check out the videos and comment in the comment section. Alright guys, so thank you so much. So let's get into today's video. Alright, so I'm doing this video because of one person that requested for it. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you tricks on how to fix zip head on zip clothes. Okay, so this is my zip clothes. This is what we mean by zip clothes. Okay, this is my zip clothes. Okay, now after you have sewn, okay, this is how to do it. All right, so let's assume that I fixed this on my bag. Okay, how do I now fix this head to this cloth? All you need to do is pick it up like this. This is my zip head, right? It has it has two openings, right? So I'll fix the first one on the first opening and the second one on the second opening. All right, so now you just pick this. It has two sides, right? So you fix this, you open it like this, you open it up, fix the first cloth or first runner on the first opening and then the second one on the second opening. Do you see? So use your hand to, so you make sure that they are equal. Okay, you fix it. Look at this. Can you see? I've used my hand to ensure that they are now equalized. Do you see? They are now equal. So I'll use this hand like this and like this to just drag it. It's as simple as ABC. So let me do it again. Let me do it again for you to see. So that's how simple it is. Make sure you cut it to be equal. You make sure that, assuming you have already fixed it on a bag, okay, you make sure that if one side is like this, you make sure that you trim off this so that it's going to be the same. Okay, you just fix it like this. I said make sure you use your hand to make it lock. Okay, then you just run it like this. It's as simple as anything. So I hope with this video you will be able to do this. So if this has helped you, like I said, comment in the comment section. And I'm making the video because of I did not really remember your name. Okay, so if you've been able to get the tricks on how to fix zip head to your zip cloth or on your zip cloth, comment in the comment section. All right guys, so see you in my next video. Bye bye.